So number one, I took the center console out right here in between the seats. Took that right out. That way it's easier to lay across the seats and work in the, that way the console's not in your way, not hitting your ribs and whatnot. And the second thing I did, as you can tell, I took the air conditioning, the heater control and everything, and the stereo right out. So the center bezel basically is gone. I took it out in the center console. Then the next, what I did is I peeled back the carpet. As you can tell, peeled it back. Same thing on the driver's side. And the same thing with underneath here. Let's see if I can get you guys better lighting. Right there. I don't know if you can, if you know what area this is. This is right behind your bezel, your center console. So I peeled it back. And then after that, what I did, once you expose, you pull back the carpet, you see you get this, like, sorry for the lighting again, you get this rubber, kind of like a membrane right here for cushioning or maybe sound deadening. And underneath that, you've got foam, kind of foam right here. But anyway, what this does, it brings up the thickness pretty good, about this thick. So if you take a look right here, right here, heater core would be in the cover. There's not much room in the bottom membrane or rubber membrane. So what I did is I need enough room that when I took the bolts off, so basically that's it, really. It wasn't too bad. Oh yeah, and also I took the glove box off, and I removed, once you get the glove box off, you can see right here, 2 bolts, here and here. I took those 2 off, so that way, when I was pulling out the heater core, I was able to take the dash here and pull it a little bit, just enough. It springs back enough just to be able to swing the heater core, the whole case and everything. You can swing it kind of like out this way off the passenger side. So basically, once you get all the bolts off, you pull it down and you pull it forward or back as far as you can, and then take your console here, bottom part, and just kind of, as you can see, you can move it a bit. Just kind of move it, and you're able to swing it out this way from the passenger side. So it worked. Now, it wasn't easy, but it worked. I didn't have to take the whole dash out.